freezing. Okay, I'm ready. I think. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some things I've been loving recently. It's not like a monthly favorites video because I would honestly forget to keep track of that. So this is just a things I've been loving recently video. You've probably already heard me talk about some of these things. Some of them are gonna be new. Actually, I think you only heard me talk about 2 of these things. So I will start with the beauty one first. So the first one I want to talk about is the Frank Body lip tint in the shade Send Nudes. This is just a pure delight to put on your lips, to be frank. I love it. It's not, like most of the time I don't really like glosses because I feel like they're just so heavy and thick, and then I always notice that my hair gets stuck in my lips. But for some reason, I don't feel that way about this one. We have a very special relationship. I love it. I love the formula. I love the way it smells. I love the color. It's a, I don't know, a slightly lighter shade than my lips. On the back it says, "Go taupeless, babe." Like taupe, like the color. I just think their packaging is really funny. So I get joy out of multiple aspects of this product. The next product is my new favorite ColourPop palette. It's the Give It To Me Straight palette. It's got, let's see, 12 really pretty shades. It's got that like pinky, they all like the pinky purplish undertones that I've really been looking for this summer. And I mean, ColourPop is just such an amazing brand for the price point. You couldn't go wrong with anything, and I tend to wear these kinds of colors a lot. There's only one that I haven't really dipped into, and I don't know why. I don't think I've noticed it yet, but I have been loving this. It's a great formula. It's just beautiful. I'm only wearing the Downright shade in the corner, or not in the corner, in the crease. I'll try that again. I put the khaki bronzer from Kylie Cosmetics all over the lid, and I just added that into the crease because I couldn't be bothered to do anything differently. Yeah, let's see. So let's talk about some fragrances. This is the Goldia, the Roman Night Absolute Perfume. I got a sample of this. Let me talk to you with this in front of my face. I got a sample of this when we were in Paris on our honeymoon. I think I bought something in Sephora and it was just like thrown in the bag or something. I don't know. But every single time I spray this, I remember being on the street, spraying it on my wrist, like trying to decide whether or not I liked it. So it takes me back to a very, very specific part of Paris. Like not the whole trip, just that sidewalk. That's all this reminds me of. But it was a lot of fun. It's got, let's see. I have no idea how to explain this. It's not fruity. It's not flowery, I don't think. It's a very like, to me it's a very deep, rich scent. Like it's a very sexy scent, if that makes sense. I'll put the, whatever the heck the notes are. I guess that's what you call the fragrances in the perfumes, the notes. I'm not fancy enough, so I don't really know. But I'll put whatever they are up here somewhere for your record. So I've really been loving that. Okay, the next one is the Orbe Thick Dry Finishing Spray. This is what my hairstylist uses on me, like at the very, very end, like when she's done with everything in my hair, she sprays this on like pretty close to my head, and like gets right in at the roots, mostly along like the sides and a little bit at the top, and then she really works it in. I feel like this helps me like, one, keep the style of like whatever is in my hair. It gives me a little bit of volume, and it, like the next day I notice that I can get the same style back easier if I have this in. Like it doesn't feel like my hair is being like weighed down or too oily at the roots, if that makes sense. I always notice when I use this, especially on the second day, like it's just so much easier to style my hair again and not have it look like a rat's nest, especially if I've had like my hair up and it wants to like lay a lot flatter. This seems to help it like poof back up like I just blow dried it. So now we're gonna talk about Instagram, specifically Instagram food accounts, blogs, accounts. Yeah. So the first one is Recipe Tin Eat. It's made by a Japanese lady living in Australia, I believe. And she does all these really easy, super delicious Asian recipes, or like, actually she does all kinds of recipes. Who am I talking about? I've just mostly made her Asian style recipes, and they have been phenomenal and also super easy to make. Like, I never ever want to order Chinese from another restaurant ever again because her recipes are just so easy and delicious. And so you guys should definitely go check that out if you're into cooking. And then another Instagram account that I want to talk about is Bianca, what the heck is her last name? Bianca Zapaka? I think she's German. But she does all these really cool vegan recipes. Now, I'm not vegan, but my sister is. So I've been trying to up my game with the vegan dessert recipes. And she has all kinds of recipes on her page, but I've only done two of the, what do they call it? One's like a vegan cake sort of thing. And the other one is a chocolate banana bread. They are phenomenal. They don't use a bunch of weird random ingredients. There's no like, I can't deal with recipes that have so many odd ingredients. I have to go buy 50 new things to just make one recipe. Her recipes seem to use a lot of the things that I already have for baking, which is amazing. And there's no way you would know that these are vegan. No way. They are so delicious. Like the two cake kind of things that I've made have been so moist. Like I can't. Please just go make them. If you like to bake, please just go make them. They're delicious. I don't care if you're vegan or not. They're amazing. I'll link it down below because I can't say her name, apparently. A random household product that I'm enjoying for a very long time actually now is the peppermint essential oil from Grove. I put it on my dryer balls and I dry my clothes with it. It's not like a sickeningly sweet peppermint scent. It's like just enough to brighten your day, like make you feel energetic. This scent just gives me happy thoughts, happy feelings. And so I love that I can dry my clothes with it. You can order it through Grove, and you can also order like the dryer balls through Grove. So I just put 4 drops on my dryer balls and keep them in a glass jar next to my dryer. And so they're always ready for me whenever I need them. Okay, I'm gonna talk about 2 apps and then I'm going to talk about 1 food product. The first one is the Sweat app. Let me see that, Sweat. This is Kayla Itzing app, the BBG program person. I think she's also Australian. She has a really good app for working out. The program I'm on is geared more towards being in a gym, but it's super simple to modify it for a home gym, in my opinion. And so you get 3 days of circuits and 3 days of like a lower intensity workout. And I really like it because 1, the circuits are quick and I don't have time for very long workouts. And 2, the low intensity workouts breaks down the barrier, like the mental barrier of me thinking like, oh my gosh, I have to do like a really hard workout today and like not wanting to do it. Like the fact that I can just go out and walk for 35 minutes and like complete my low intensity is really motivating. And like, 1, I like the walk, but it makes me so much more consistent having like such a low, like setting the bar lower for myself instead of doing like super high intensity and these circuits. The way her program is set out, I think is a very good way to create consistency and get results over time. And obviously you can make them harder if you want, but just starting at a lower level is so helpful for creating these good habits, and I really appreciate it, especially with being a new mom. I can just, or not a new mom, I have 2 kids. What am I saying? Especially having a newborn, I can just pop them in the stroller or pop Jesus in the stroller, put either in like little carrier thing, and then go do my workout for the day. So I very much appreciate that. The next app that I've been loving, let me pull it up. Can you guys hear that? Do you feel peace? I love it. This is the Calm app. I use it for meditation. I used to use Headspace, and I still kind of go back and forth between. I never thought that there would be an app that would maybe leave the lovely British man's voice, but there is, and it's Calm. I love it. It has lots of different options for meditation. She has a little bit of a different style compared to the guy from Headspace. I think his name's Andy. His name Andy? Oh, I can't remember. But the Calm app has really peaceful background noises, and I really enjoy that. And I just like the way she approaches meditation a little bit better. It's not that it's like a more right way, it's just something that clicks with me more, and maybe I don't really know why, but there is, I believe, a 7-day free trial if you want to try out either one of those, and I'll link both of those down below as well. The last thing I want to talk about is my favorite only protein bar I will ever eat. It's the EXO protein bar. It's made with, did I hold it upside down? Probably. The EXO protein bar, it's a Cricket protein bar. Now you don't taste there are actual crickets in it, but they're made into cricket flour, so you're not like crunching on crickets. Like you don't even, if I didn't tell you that, you wouldn't know that they're in there. Let's just take a little bite. And you see it's like just brown. This is the coconut flavor. And that's my personal favorite flavor. I also like the apple cinnamon. I think it's all apple cinnamon. It's green. They're made with really good ingredients. It has a very good taste. It doesn't have that weird, plasticky, disgusting, ew. That's why I can't stand other protein bars, because they just freak me out. They taste like I'm swallowing plastic. I can taste the apple in there. They've got nuts. I think those are almonds. So anything crunchy is a nut, don't worry. It's not a cricket. But you can go on their website, and I think you can still buy their sample pack, which has like 4 of their flavors. I would recommend doing that. They are a more expensive protein bar, but I think the quality is so good. I would recommend ordering straight from their site, because I just ordered these from Amazon to like, not because there's a real price difference, just to see what would be easier. And they came a little drier than ordering straight from the website. So usually what I would do is get on the subscription for the protein bars and have them delivered every, I think, 60 days. I would get like 2 flavors delivered every 60 days, or 2 boxes of the same flavor. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening to me ramble today. I really appreciated it. If you guys like this, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. You can click the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!